Welcome back, everybody. Big D stock trading got over 16K. Really loving that. What we're going to do right now is go into a few of our moves, the recent ones. Let's start with ZYNA. Sold my position on that. It was very small. Had a few buys here and there. But, made 28.38 on the deal in total. Not a lot of cash. So use that. Also sold the rest of my position of KHC. I just figured that it was time, and it's probably a good idea. I mean, it's just been so erratic here and there. I finally got to the point where I made some money on it, so I was just like, you know what? Made another, 43.23 on that. Made some dividends along the way, too. And so I used that to buy AUPH, ticker symbol. Arenia Pharmaceuticals. So basically with this one, it has a catalyst on, let's see, it's like 122. So up a little bit on it. But from the 1 month, 3 month, it looked like it was kind of beaten down a little bit, progressing, still in a downtrending channel, so kind of a gamble. So I'm going to put this one as a gamble. I don't know if I would follow this trade if I was you guys, but I certainly pulled it. So hopefully by 122, it's all good because it's 111 right now. So I've got a few days to make something happen. Trying to get away from these kind of gamble plays, but, you got to do what you got to do. So Twitter, let's look at that one today. Bought this one today based on the presidential stuff where Trump got banned from Twitter. It took definitely a beat because of that. So I thought that was a good idea to get in with $450. And look at that volume, 62 million over the average volume of 10 million. That's just crazy. But in order to do that, I sold FedX, a position I've had since forever, as far as my portfolio goes. And look, yeah, it would go up, bastards. But it's been kind of beaten down over the last month. I wish I would have sold there, but hindsight's 2020. We're taking a look. It's made a few dividends across the way. I've held it forever. Since April 5th, 2019. Bought in at $376.98. Sold at $491.20. It's a profit of $114.22, so not so bad. But I used that to fuel my purchase of Twitter. So don't know if I'm in Twitter long term. I just may want to hang out, see what happens. But I do want to show one interesting thing. ACST. Look at this. It just got, let's go to the 1 year. It got beaten down dramatically. You guys, if you follow my channel, you guys saw this, how bad this was. 22 cents, 19 cents. And then since then, it's been on an absolute tear. I almost sold it just because, but I mean, look at this. It's just insanity. So we're kind of watching this to see where this goes. We're also going to look at Bitcoin because that's also been on a tear. Went to a highs of about 42K. Now it's dipped quite a bit. I hate when Robinhood does this. Seriously. Let's go to ETC and scroll over to Bitcoin. I don't know if that's a programming flaw in Robinhood or what. Let's go to the 1 week. So it got up to, high 30s, you know, early 40s, and then it just bounced down from there. But if you look at it on the 3-month, I mean, God, the 1 year, you're talking about crazy numbers. So a lot of our success has been due to Bitcoin, as you can see here. Trying to get to 0.05 of a coin. But at this number, I don't know. I really don't know. I'd love to see it dip, below 20, dip below 10 to buy it again. But who knows where we're going to see Bitcoin in the future. So hope everybody stays prosperous and healthy. And please like and subscribe.